You're going to be looking at how you can get started with OneNote on your computer. Alright, so in order for us to get OneNote, if you come right here in the search bar, we're going to click. Now when you click, you're going to see this particular area come up. So I want to type in OneNote. If you notice right up here, you just click on it. Definitely. Alright, so this is a thing come install on your Windows. Alright, so very important. Alright, so there you go. If you notice right up here, you have file, you have home, insert, draw, and all of that. So we're going to take a close look at these. So all of these are known as tab. Right, so if you notice, this is the home tab. When you click on the home tab, what it happens, it bring down the ribbon. So this is the ribbon. So within the ribbon you have group. If you notice clipboard right there, so one group. If you notice right there, so basic text is the next group, style another group, and all of that. Very important. If you notice, there is any section as yet. But if you notice right away, you're sure that you can actually add page and all of that. First you want to look right here on file. Now when you click on file, what you see info, right? And this info have to do with the information of the file right here. You notice the settings, we click right here, show that you can share to more, you can sync, you can close, you can also look at the property, you can actually open back up right here, you can actually view and sync status. Notice we come right here, show that you can actually save it somewhere else, your computer, or share it to other place. You can also give it a name. Right here you can actually open it, open right here. If you notice there's a recent one here right here to your computer and the one that you actually created before. But share, when you come like this, you click on share. You notice right here, so you can actually get a link. Yes, so these are available right in OneNote. Right here you can actually start with meeting right here in OneNote. Yes, if you notice right here, you can type name or email address just the same. You can actually share, right? And here account just the same, right? If you notice, you can actually change the color of it. Right, coming right there, put it to different era and all that. Notice right there actually on white so far. And when I click on option, notice it take you right here. Now we'll find display, moving, and all of that. So these are some here that actually can change up these up here. Right, so we're gonna, so now look at file. Now we're gonna look at home. Now this is home instead. So in home, show that I can actually paste, you can show that I can cut and copy. Definitely. Let me just add a section that I can actually come right. Alright, so if you notice right here, we can copy painter, you can change the font size, font type, right, rather. Come by coming here, you can actually come here. You notice actually similar, like maybe in Word or whatever, front side just the same. Come right here, so change the side, right? If you notice, if you want to click right here, right, you can actually change up this style also, right? Notice you actually do the same thing now, number just the same. But if you notice, there are different type of edit right here which you can add and all of that right through. So notice email page right here, very important. So click on insert. When you click on insert right here, so you can insert space right here. You can also insert table, same like how you insert table in Microsoft Word. You can also do the same thing here, right? You can actually insert table, you can new Excel spreadsheet in order to get information, just the same. But if you notice right here, so you get a file printout. Right, you can put a file attachment here, spreadsheet, existing spreadsheet or a new spreadsheet. I can actually get information to put on up here. Screen clipping, yes, you can also get a screen clipping. If I click on the screen clipping, you notice right away give me a plus. So that's all I want, some of these icons right here. So if I hold it down, I'm going to come like this. I notice right away. Right, so that's the screen clipping. That's one thing that I can do. Right, now this is where that I can insert picture. So if I click this, definitely it will take me directly to my desktop. Right, if you notice right here, alright, to the desktop. So you notice you can actually insert from online. You can actually scan image. Right, so right here you have a link. You can also record audio right here. So you're talking, you can click right here and also record it here. You can also record yourself doing a demonstration on the page if you don't want to create a different section. So as a student or if in a business they may understand what's going on. Right here show that you can put the date and time. You notice you have it different. So if you notice right here, so template come like that, just the same. If you notice right here, you have equation. In Microsoft Word you can add the same equation, just the same. You can actually come here and insert. If you notice you come right here, so new equation, but if I click on that, right, if you notice you bring up this, but if you notice right down here the equation, so if I come right as a fraction, definitely right, I can actually come like this. If you notice this is show up right down here, just the same. Alright, so very important right there, right there when you look at it. Right, so show that I can actually insert symbols. More symbols right there so far. Alright, so we're going to be looking at draw now. When you click on the draw, you notice right here, type A. Right here you can use this. This is the eraser, small eraser, medium eraser, and all the different type of tools. If you come right here, give a different type of tool actually. Tick a color if you want. You can get some shape right here, space. You can also arrange. When you come, you can send it backwards and all that. And this is matte, ink to matte right here. This is another form of equation which I can actually use, just the same. So we're going to come to history. If you notice it, mark as read. Right, if you notice and read, right, you can find by author, right, view, right, this notebook, recycle bin, right here, very important. So we're going to be looking at review now. Right, when you come here, we can actually do a spell check right there. You can do a research right here. This is treasurers. You can also translate this document itself. Right, I just selected part to any formal language. You can also do this in Microsoft Word, so it's available right here. Here show that I can actually put a password on the document, so it's very important. Alright, so we're going to click on view. Now when you click on view, you notice it's a full page. Right, dock to desktop. Right, if you notice right there's a cover, the page color. You can click right here. You can change different color. You can also hide the title page right here, page size. You can zoom it in and out. Right, if you notice right here, new windows and all of that. So very important right there. So if I want to add another section, I can actually come right here, add a different section. Right, if you notice, I can put the topic right up here, and then down here, right, so if I put a topic up here and say home work here, so down here now I want actually a file. Right, so I can actually click on insert. Right, and if you notice right here, attach file, I click on that. Alright, so that will take me directly to my desktop. I'm gonna come here and scroll up, click on desktop. Alright, so this is what I want. Click on it and I click on insert. Now click on insert. You notice it's an attach file. Alright, so insert printout, so I'm gonna click on this one. If you notice, there's the attachment, and there you go. So very important right here. So if you come right and back to save, you notice right here show that I can open. Notice, but when I click on print, this is eventually what happened, because a lot of you might see it in PDF, Microsoft Word, but you never see it in OneNote. So notice print preview. Notice when I click on print preview, right, this is what actually display. Right, if you notice right here, show the current page, it show the size. Right, it show your portrait or landscape right here and all that, so you can print directly just like that. Right, so go back again. Now show that you can share. Notice you can export it, the document right here. You notice it's a section page, you can export it by coming here. Notice right here the different option right here. This is PDF right here, and you can also export it right here. You can actually send it just the same. Right, so this is exactly how we can actually go through OneNote. So you can add many sections and add page and put all the various notes in it, whether for your classroom or business and all of that. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.